Chris.
And I'm Cynthia.
And we're the Henny family.
So we're going to do our Who Did It Better comparison for you guys today. This time I chose Eddie Floyd versus The Jam. And the song is Big Bird.
Big Bird.
Yeah. Two people wanted this one, Kevin Lawrence and Stinking Polecat.
Uh-huh.
We know a lot of The Jam. We've been doing quite a lot of their stuff on our channel.
Yes.
Eddie Floyd, however, we don't know too much of his work.
I've heard Knock on Wood.
Yeah, we know that one. Like, we just don't know very much of his work. That we know of, at least.
The later version was a disco song, but hey.
Well, yeah, I know that one much better.
Yes, so do I.
Yes.
Not surprised, actually. All right, we're going to get into this. Eddie Floyd. We've never done Eddie Floyd's music yet, but hey, here's a good reason to.
Yeah, no kidding.
So here it is. Big Bird by Eddie Floyd.
So send down your wings and let them bring me to you. You know I'm standing at the station, ready to go. Oh, big old aeroplane, I'm trusting your soul. Get on up, big bird, to my baby love. Get on up, big bird, to my baby love. Get on up, big bird, 'cause I got to make it there. Just get on up, big bird, 'cause I got to make it there. Get on up. With me down here, and you up there, now all me know is, it ain't no fair, 'cause I got love packed in my baggage, holding my plane ticket, gonna be with my baby, and never coming back. Get on up, big bird, to my baby's love. Get on up, big bird, to my baby's love. Just get on up, big bird, up, big bird, up, big bird. Just get on up, big bird.
So I guess the Big Bird is an airplane.
I think so.
And it's going to take him into his
to his
baby love. That's what you said.
His baby love.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, it's a great sound.
Yeah, no kidding.
Energetic, really great.
Very good rocking kind of sound.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like, very much sounds like hard late 60s, early 70s rock.
Yeah.
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 Around there.
Yeah, not nearly as much soul as there's rock in this one.
Yeah, it's very much rock.
Mm-hmm.
You get a little soulfulness, yes.
Oh, yeah.
But it's very much a rock song.
But yeah, that's how it feels to me too. Yeah, really rocky, really great. A lot of great horns in it, though. It's really
no kidding. I love that.
All right, let's continue.
Open up the sky, 'cause I'm coming up to you. So send down your wings, and let them bring me to you. Get on up, big bird, to my baby love. Get on up, big bird, to my baby love. Get on up, big bird, 'cause I got to make it there. Just get on up, big bird, 'cause I got to make it there. Get on up, big bird, 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 get on up, big bird. Just get on up, big bird, get on up, big bird, get on up, big bird, get on up, big bird.
That had a real grooviness to it.
Yeah, I know.
I really like that.
Like a groovy rock song.
Yeah, it kind of reminded me of something you would have heard maybe at Woodstock, even just because of that.
Yeah.
Just that groovy rock sound. It's just had that kind of feel to it.
Yeah, I could see that for sure.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Now, the only version we could find was in mono, but
it's because of the time, I'm sure.
because of the time,
and
I
the
don't
budget
know.
and
I don't know
all
exactly how old this is, but
Yeah, we're not sure. That part we didn't look up what year it was from. Huh. Oh, well. That's okay.
That's okay. So next, we're going to have to try out the Jam.
Yeah, and we love the Jam, so I'm not sure which one's going to be better, to be honest.
Yeah, hard to say.
But that was a really good song.
That was really good. Really energetic. Loved it.
Yeah, I really liked it.
We found a live version that looked all right. It was right on the Eddie Floyd thing, like when we listed Big Bird, that this came up.
Yeah, it came up as well.
So yeah, it was like third on the list. So we're going to try this one out. I mean, it sounded good just from the initial.
Yeah.
So, it probably is good. And we'll see what they sound like. And we get to see them live for once.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. So this is Big Bird by The Jam.
This sounds really good.
Yep.
But it clearly looks like they're playing a totally different song in this video or something.
Yeah, it's an amalgamation of whatever live performances.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
definitely.
It's definitely
just
not the
way
actual
off.
performance of Big Bird. This is something else.
But that's okay. I mean, whatever. The song is great.
The song is great. And you are kind of seeing them perform.
Yeah. But they're doing it. It feels a little touch faster, does it to you?
Yeah. It's actually,
It's a little bit faster.
It is. For sure. They're really pushing it. It was a live show. You know how it is.
Yeah, but it feels really good. I like the sound of it.
For sure.
And it actually doesn't feel all that much different.
I would bet that Eddie Floyd doing it live would be a little bit faster as well.
Oh, possibly.
Because they used to do it all the time. Otis was renowned for speeding up the songs at three times the pace.
Yeah.
So it's just something that kind of happens, you know?
Let's finish this one, though.
All right.
Well, get on up, people.
That was a really good cover, huh?
It was. You see the size of the toms?
Yeah.
Like,
I know
big.
they were big.
I'm used to like, eh.
But honestly, I think for me, the original was better just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And it's mostly because I miss the horns in this one.
Oh, yeah.
I really, really do.
Yeah, it sounds like they may have had a synth in the background for this.
Yeah, it's
like,
not
just to make
as
that
good.
kind of amp up sound.
Yeah,
It's
good, but it's not as good.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
Oh, sure. No, you need the horns for sure.
Yeah.
If they'd have hired a horn section for this, for doing this show,
Yeah.
and had that in there, that would have been awesome.
Yeah,
sure.
no kidding. But this was a really good cover. It definitely was.
It was for sure. Absolutely.
Yeah.
But yeah, I love the horns.
Yeah.
Sorry, the horns win. Sorry, Jam.
Yep. Yeah. So for us, we think that Eddie did it better.
Mm-hmm.
But we'd like to know who you guys think did it better. So let us know down in the comments, and we'll be happy to read those, of course.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's what we're here for.
So we very much enjoyed this one, of course. It was a fun comparison.
Yeah, and those toms, oh my goodness. They're monsters like this.
Yeah.
They're like, I don't know. What do you usually use something like that for?
But
a great tone, though.
Both did really well, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Like, both versions are so fun to listen to.
Oh, yeah. Great fun.
Yeah.
I would love watching that show with Jam for sure.
No kidding. So thank you very much for that request. It was definitely appreciated. Don't forget to let us know in the comments who you think did it better. Don't forget to check us out on Patreon. It's $3 a month, and we're adding things there all the time. Mm-hmm. Also, join us on May 21st from 1 to 3 Eastern Standard Time. I'll also put other time zones in our community channel so that people understand when it is for them. Mm-hmm. That way nobody misses out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, share with your family and friends, click that notification bell if you don't want to miss a video, and don't forget to enjoy yourself. Later.
Later.